Okay. So we ran the camera out of this clean out. It exits over here. This pipe, as you can see, feeds these bathroom groups. And exits this way. Overall, the slope of the pipe is in great condition. It's not retaining any water. The only issue we can see here, which is pretty obvious, is that this pipe here is broken. And what we're looking at here is this, see by the laser, this section right here is the part that's broken. And in order to make this repair, we'll have to basically just dig it up and replace the P-trap. It's a fairly straightforward procedure here. Doesn't look like there's any trees or in the area. So this is the nearest tree. So overall, we're in pretty good shape. This is where we're in this particular video, and we'll go back the other way.